My name is Kenneth. My company is Lux & Beyond. We specialize in handmade luxury, interior finishes and furnishings. We wanted to have a more experiential things through clean, fresh air. The ionizer was able to provide something like this. It was able to take out the pollutants in the air, give something cleaner and fresher that people could visibly notice.
My name is Pan. I'm the business development for the 3-piece bar and bistro located along Robertson Quay. The ionizer does help us a lot in terms of it does produce clean forest air with all the specs, and the performance is something needed for the place. So it creates a sense of security for our customers to know we are doing something to clean up the air. Also, it looks very nice. It blends very well with our decors. It really helps us to beautify the place and ambience of the indoor.
My name is Russell and I'm currently working in World of Watches 2 at Pacific Plaza. As a retailer, I would like a safe environment for my customers. So the ionizer helps to remove bad viruses in the air. It also enhances the mood and mental energy for customers and myself, so I can stay a little bit more fresh.